Here's a little video update on the MT10. Give y'all a little walk around first. I've been enjoying that windshield. I wasn't sure about it, but I think I'm gonna hang on to that. It does block the wind from my chest a little bit, so it's not bad at all. But anyway, here's what's new. Check out that exhaust. I bought the titanium, the full titanium Yoshi, and I got a used R1 header from a guy that's titanium. So I sent it off to Jet Hot and got it all ceramic coated black. So there it is, black ceramic coated R1 header, full black Yoshi exhaust. I had to disassemble the muffler and drill out these rivets, take the rivets out on the tag and the tip, and remove that guard and send it off that way, and then reassemble it when it came back. Worst part about it was for sure trying to fit the header back onto, fitting the header on the Yoshimura exhaust with that coating, because it's so thick. So I had to do a lot of sanding on the end of the collector to get it to go together and all, but the final product is pretty awesome. I'm really happy with it. Let y'all hear it real quick. Let me put the phone down. Check this out. Well, there it is. I would say, I guess I haven't heard a lot of other MT10 exhaust setups, but if I had to guess, this might be the loudest one. This thing is louder than I thought it was going to be, but it's alright because I love loud. Also, by far my favorite sound I've heard on an MT10. I really love this exhaust. Super happy with it, and Jet Hot did a good job on the coating, so I highly recommend them. Here's all the old crap over here. Big old bread box catalytic converter and the old header. Huge weight savings there. Not that I'm a track racer and won't notice it that much, but pretty big difference. Much better. But that's about it for the little update. I'll have more videos to come soon as I do some more things on it. hopefully some update videos on the truck pretty soon. But y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more updates.